Welcome back, guys. All right. This video, we're doing another hip-hop warm-up. You probably saw on the title here, hip-hop warm-up. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Warm up our body, guys. And at the end of this video, towards the middle and the end of the video, I'm gonna show you guys what I call the house shuffle. And I learned that move from my friend, my good friend, dance partner, Dennis Infante. And if that terminology is incorrect, definitely drop the correct knowledge. Let me know where you learn it from, who you learn it from, and give me the proper term for it, because I know names of dance moves gets mixed up a lot throughout my research in this dance history. You know, a lot of times even some of the original dancers, the pioneers, they get confused here and there, but that's all good. They're trying their best to teach us, and that's what I'm trying to do my best to share the knowledge that I got from them. So again, house shuffle is what I learned, and I'm gonna show that to you guys later. All right. If you are new to this channel, my name is Ceech, and I make dance tutorials. I'm a dance instructor at multiple community colleges here in the Bay Area, California, and I love what I do, and hopefully you guys love watching and learning. And spread it. Spread it out, guys. Share it, like it, subscribe it, do all that good stuff. So this little next drill is to really teach dancers how to pivot off the heel. Alright, we got to know how to pivot off the front of our foot, front of our feet, which is the ball of your feet. Now you also got to learn how to pivot off the back, which is the heel. Alright, it's a good little exercise, pivoting right side, left side, both sides as well. One more element that I added to this drill is obviously you're sitting down. You're bending, so there's a level change, right? If you look at the head, if you look at the hip, definitely look at the knee. There's a bending of the knee when you go down, one and two end. Okay, so this is fast. Right side, right left, right left. Now we go to the left side first. So left and right. A lot of times in the drills that I do, and I highly recommend everybody do, is if you start with the right, learn how to start with the left, because if you build a habit of only learning how to start with one side, you'll find that it's going to be weird starting from the other side, unless you practice the same amount. All right, so that means if you did 5 minutes right side, do 5 minutes left side. This way you don't get lopsided. Alright, we got a slower music right now. We definitely got to adapt to it. Let's just sit in the beat. You know, a lot of times you hear dancers say, sit in the beat. What does that mean? I can just imagine the first time, beginning dance student, you say, sit in the beat. Does that mean I have to sit? What it really means to me when dancers and instructors say, hey, sit in the beat, sit in the pocket, whatever that means. It's basically be on beat. That's all it is. It's another way of us stressing the idea that you gotta sit on you gotta be on beat. Slow down. Slow down. What does that mean? Slow down. Does that mean go slower than the beat? No. The reason why we say slow down is because 99% of the dancers are way too fast. They're ahead of the beat. That's why we say slow down. Now, obviously, if you're ahead of the beat, or if you're way too slow, then we'll say speed up. But again, about 99.9% of the dancers that we see, why are they so fast? It's because they're nervous, right? If you're a beginning dancer, whether you're a beginning dancer for 1 week or beginning dancer for 1 month, because if you never dance in front of somebody who's let's say more experienced than you, then you're gonna get nervous. I do too. Everybody does. You know, if you see somebody that's more experienced than you, then there's a part of you that's a little bit more nervous. And when you're nervous, what happens? Your heart beats a little bit faster, and you tend to move faster and you're off beat. Okay, here we go. This is the meat of our warm-up. This is the house shuffle. So if this is something that you like, you want to learn, pay close attention, guys. House shuffle. So that's the first move that I want people to drill. See it when I'm kicking, kick. You kick on the one end, and I land on two, right? Kick down. Okay. Right, left. So this time we're drilling the right leg first, and obviously we're gonna go to the left side. Okay. Kick. Now we're doing left. Okay. Kick. And notice right when I kick, the other leg, the other foot is landing at the same time. Kick. Okay. Kick. So get used to that. Also, I want you guys to watch the upper body. I'm sort of leaning back. I'm not leaning back that much. One of the analogies that I teach my students, I say to my students, is imagine that you're kind of doing a backstroke, and then you're doing a flutter kick. So you're kind of sitting back. Okay. All right, moving on. So now you have one and two. On the two, I'm kicking back. You see how the first two, I go one and. The first two, one and, I'm kicking forward. On the two, right on the two, I'm going to kick back. So I say, you see that now when I kick back, I got to hop forward with my other leg. Kick. Okay, there's three kicks, but if you look at the body, it's back, and then forward. Back, forward. You see how I'm going forward on that last kick? All right. Back, forward. If you watch Megan's the one on the right. She's doing a terrific job with it. Josh did a great job jumping forward right there. Actually, everybody I see that's doing it. So again, this is the first time. Actually, Megan's seen this before. Rochelle over there, I think this is the first time she saw this move. At least in my class. Maybe she's seen it before. I don't know. And over there on the far right is Adam. And I believe this is the first time he's seen it. So he's doing a good job. So again, guys, when you learn this for the first time, the idea of chunking, I think this is the best way to learn. Take small steps and drill it over and over again. Okay? Don't try to eat the entire pie at once. Take little bites, little bites. Then you'll be able to eat the entire pie. Alright? Kick. Alright? So again, we're just drilling one side. Right now we're going left, right, kick. All right, guys, so now you see we're linking it, all right? And while we're linking it, watch that balance right here. Kick, hold it. Kick, hold it. Again, if you're a beginning dancer, if you haven't done this before, holding that balance could be a little bit more difficult, but do try it, all right? Try not to put that foot down when you're holding. You gotta practice your balance, guys. To me, balance is probably the most important elements in dance. If you don't have balance, you just flop in, and it's really easy to be off beat if your balance is not good. Hold that balance. Kick, hold it. Oh, okay, now we're not holding it anymore. Now you're training your body to go right into it. So you have 1 and 2, 3 and 4. You're going right into right side and then the left side. Okay. So this is where I think, if you've never done this before, when you get to this part, you might have, you're gonna have a lot of fun because it's gonna be a little bit challenging, all right? But yeah, you see Rochelle's doing real good, but a few times she struggled a little bit, and that's normal. That's normal for everybody who's learning for the first time, including yours truly, myself, for sure. When I first learned this, that switching from one side to another side was like, ooh, gotta get the body. There you go. See, so now once you get it, man, it feels so good to get that and be able to get that move right on beat. Who I forgot who I gave high five to. I saw the student doing a really good job. Clap. Clap. We got 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. One more time. Da 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 da. Yes. Yes, we want to do entire 2-8 count, and eventually, on your own, try to do it for 4-8 counts. Okay? Why do we do that? Repeat, repetition, build into muscle memory. That's why. Okay, here we go. Now we're switching side to side now. Okay, see how it travels from side to side? There you go. So now you could do it straight forward, up and down, and then you got the side to side. Okay. These are good variations, guys. Gotta learn them all. Learn them all. Don't be stuck with one. All right. Here we go. Side to side. Da, da, da. You guys see a little flow right there? What I mean by flow, it's like there's a little sync. You see how it goes down, up and down, up and down. And it should be kind of smooth. That's right. We gotta start with the left side now. House shuffle, guys. Hope you guys have fun learning. Drill it, rewind it if you need to. You know, it's really, really hard to learn one move from one video. I'm not saying go search out 20 other videos. What I'm saying is rewind this and watch it over and practice it over again. Don't just watch and not do. Your body needs to do. You need to do along. Do it along with the video. Okay? Do it along how I showed it to you. Do that pause. You know, when we pause, we hold. Why do we do that? To get your balance better. If your balance is better, then you can control your timing. If your balance is not good, trust me, I see a lot of people not fall, but they kind of stumble and they're off beat. You gotta know when you're off beat, guys. That's how you fix it. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. Enjoy the rest of the video. It's not much left, but hope you guys had fun learning. Hit that like button for me if you can. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with everybody and anybody that can benefit from it. My name is Ceech. I'll see you in the next one. Later.